Hey guys, so this time I'm going to talk about matplotlib, pyplot, and openCV, and how you can use them to play around with images. So this will be just a basic video. I will just show you how to upload images, and then we'll see if we'll see that when we use openCV, there is the image that we look at is basically not as clear as the original one. So I will discuss what's going on over there. It's pretty interesting because when I was learning openCV, I came across this particular article, right? This, so I guess many of you know about the image of Lena. I guess everyone in computer science field, you know, have come across this image, have used the image for, you know, to do data. I mean, image processing, etc. It's a very famous image. So let me just pull that up. So right now I'm not able to. Yeah. So here it is. Okay. So this is the article that I came across by the University of Melbourne, which says it's time to retire Lena from computer science. I think most of you have come across this image. At least when I was learning, when I came across image processing, etc., they use this this portrait to explain, to do all the image processing, etc. And then I came across this article, and then I read, there's this they they are talking about how it's time to stop using the image because of some sensitivity issues, etc. And yeah, so I think if you are interested in it, you can go and have a look at the article here by the University of Melbourne. So it's the title is "It's Time to Retire Lena from Computer Science." So I think this is an interesting article to look at. So yeah, so now what we'll do is we are going to dive into the topic here. So first we'll need to import a package called openCV. So and now as you can see, I'm in the Jupyter notebook. So all you just need to do is use this command. So pip install openCV and then Python, right? And then shift enter, and it will show you. So it's taking some time to install, and then of course in my case, because the requirement is already satisfied, because I made sure that I had installed openCV before. So yeah, so if you want to install it, if you're in Jupyter notebook, you can use this command. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to import some very essential packages. So import CV2. So this is basically the openCV. So you will call import CV2, and then what we'll need is from matplotlib import pyplot. You need pyplot as plt, and then we'll use numpy. So import numpy as np. I'm not sure whether I will use numpy for this particular video because this is going to be very short intro to just to see what's going on with openCV, etc. But okay, let's just call everything. Okay, now it's been imported. Now what I will do is I'm going to open the image. So I did not tell you what image I'm gonna use. Okay, if you have looked at the title, it's Keanu Reeves. I'm going to use the image of my favorite actor, Keanu. I love his Matrix, and so yeah, I'm going to use that image. So first of all, let's say img is equal to, I will use cv2 dot imread. Okay, so this is the command if you want to read an image. So, and then I'm going to give the path to my image .jpg. So I had already named the image, and now what's happened is that I have read the image into img. Okay, so now if you look at img, okay, if I run img, img. So what's going on here is that, okay, so there is I just checked this, if you just look at the type of img, it will show none type. So that's because I have made a mistake here. This is users. And now if I run this, you will see what is image, right? So image is basically a numpy array, okay? And you can see it's a numpy array, and what, you know, inside there are like three numbers. So I'll tell you what is the significance of these three numbers. So first of all, I want to analyze what is this img. So img.shape, let's look at the shape. Okay, so it's made of 966, 15, 1500, and then 3, right? So this is the dimension of this numpy array. So let's look at img of 0. So let me tell you so if you type img 0, basically you can see this, right? So there are 966 of them, of these kind of numpy arrays, right? 966 of them, and then in each of this one, right, each of this numpy array, there are like 1500 rows, and then 3 columns, right? That's what you see. Now this is basically the image that you see here, okay? So now what we'll do is I'm going to just use plt, that's a pyplot, right? If you remember, if you go up, import pyplot as plt. So I have used plt. So plt dot im show, image show of img. Okay, let's just use this. Of course, you can give other arguments, but let's just keep it to the basics here. So you can see the image of Keanu, right? It's a very inspiring image, but there's something wrong with the coloring, right? This is more bluish in color, right? That it's not looking natural. So what's going on here? So actually, when I did a little bit of internet search, I found that openCV2, when it reads, right, when you read the image, right, it is basically reading it. It's reading it in blue, green, red format. So usually our colors are red, green, blue, so it should be RGB, right? But somehow CV2 is like messing up, I guess, with these two numbers, right, in the numpy array. So basically, I guess 39 should come at the end and 49 should come at the front one, right, the first one. If we just do the flipping, then it will show the proper coloring. But right now, I guess because it's reading, CV2 is reading it in some way, and it's just messing up, I guess. So so let me show you how we can change img. So basically, what I want to do is I'm going to move the first one, right, the 39 to the last, and 45 should come to the front, right? So I should do that for every other row and for every other dimensions. So for I in img, so I'm iterating through all the 966 of them, right? So there are 966 of them. So I'm iterating through all of them. And then for j in I, right? So for j in I, so now j is basically the one of them, right? Maybe just this much, right? And there are 1500, so 1500 of them are there. And so for j in I, and then what I will do is I'm going to define a new variable called k. K is j of 0. So I'm going to store the first one, 39, and then what I'm going to do is j of 0, I'm going to convert this into j of, so j of 0 should become j of 2, right? 0, 1, 2, j of 2, and then j of 2 should basically become k, right? So this is basically you're flipping these two numbers, right? Okay, so this is what happens, and now shift enter, it has done the process. Now if we look at img, You see 45 is here, 39 has gone at the end, right? So it has happened to all the you know to all the other rows. It has just flipped it. Now if you want to look at the image, right, we'll see that it will show the original color. So plt.imshow, um, plt.imshow, now you just need to use img and then shift enter. Now you can see a very beautiful, inspiring Keanu's original image, right? So basically now it's in proper order. So red, green, blue. The channels are properly arranged: red, green, and blue, not blue, green, red as done by openCV, right? Yeah, I mean, that's it for the video. I thought this was pretty interesting, so I wanted to make a video on this. But of course, this is just the basics. You can do much more things with pyplot, matplotlib, openCV, etc. So I guess I will discuss all of that in my next video, and till then, take care, bye.